Okay. So we are team 404, team 12, and today we need to write a program for our robot so it will move along the black line. It will start on this point which says start, and our task is, our goal is so that our robot will move only along the black line. It should not be affected with these red or green squares on the line. Yeah, it should only move along the black one. So let us start to write a code.
Create the code, we can create our algorithm that help us what we want to do and
Okay.
what we're planning.
Shall we start from the algorithm?
Yes, I think it will be great. Okay, I think we can start create our algorithm which is can help us to write our program and what we want to do.
Okay.
And as Nargis said, there is a color on the map and that the robot should pass. But and also if there is any ban, the robot should pass also the ban. And let's start.
Let's visualize.
Yeah, let's visualize it so that it would be easier for us. Let's
From
write.
where we should start? The algorithm.
Actually, we should also remember that if there's any burden on the road, the robot should stop. So first thing is just when program starts, we do certain thing. If Let's start with saying that if the distance between the robot and the next item nearby is more than
Okay.
10 or 5 centimeters, then it will go. Otherwise, it will stop.
And also, for writing this code, we should use if statement.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if
that's
else.
the.
Yes.
And at the end it has to stop, so it has to link each other like that. Can
Because
you hear me?
we
Yes.
will put that in forever loop. Or
Yes, we can do it like that.
okay.
Mhm.
So can you feel the blank space in the square?
Let's make it stop moving
Okay.
Make it wider. Uh-huh. Just like that.
and like that.
And
And
we should write that if a line black, that uh, robot
On
should
top
go.
top square, we should write if the distance is more than 5. No?
okay,
On the
Does this
top.
square
right.
includes
If
setting moving B and C motors?
let's now make only the fundamental algorithms and then we can discuss it.
Okay.
If distance
More than.
more than 30 centimeters,
Why so much?
I don't like, okay, make
20, 10 or 15.
15.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
And then can we write here true statement and this is false, and now like that. No, it was true.
If true, it continues to move.
Şurası şuna gelir. You
And
can
also,
Setting B and
if
C's.
there is a true part that we should divide two parts, so that can be more than 15 centimeter, but line can be green.
Yes, let's make if statement here also.
Yes. Good.
Um, let's create our fundamental of the code. And yesterday we create our algorithm, so it help us to create our code. And first of all, I think we can add forever loop. Yes. What do you
Yes.
think?
So that
Yes.
all motions will repeat.
Yes.
Like
In order
that.
to make sure it
Then
will
there
not
is if statement, so we need this
This has
if
or
else.
else.
Yes. We at the
And
end
there
we
is
add
two ifs.
yes.
We have to add here two if like that. This is our fundament of the code.
I think you should add if else statement inside the else, not
in the
inside the
second part or not.
yes.
I think it's okay like that.
Yes, I think it's true.
You think?
After building the
Yeah.
code, we will revise and check it
Yeah,
again.
yeah, we can change it.
We just need to add statements so that we will understand it more.
Okay.
And now we should add the distance.
So we have
Yes, the
this.
First
distance one.
will be ultrasonic sensor,
Yeah, yes. So
which are you passed above.
There's,
Yeah.
oh my gosh. Yes,
No,
this
no,
one.
no, not this one.
This one.
Uh, yeah.
it's already
And 15 is okay.
should be more than
Like
yes.
that.
Then if the color is black.
Then it's so
Okay.
according to our scheme, if it's
If
black,
black,
it
set
should
movement B and C, maybe.
put movement.
So there is a stop moving. We have to stop moving in else
No, no,
statement.
no, not this one.
No, I think this one, it's right.
Yes.
Why? But what if the color is not black?
If the color
We,
is black, since the color sensor can be either on the right side or on the left side, if it's on the right side, then right motor will move, otherwise left. I
Ah, it will change the movements of the motors, yeah? B and
Yeah,
C.
yeah, because we have two, B and C.
Ah, okay.
the robot tried to find the color, black
Yeah,
color.
got it.
We can use this pink also statements, set motors to speed. I think there should be something like that.
Actually, we can use also the unit trainers. I mean, the algorithms which we covered in unit sections practices.
Yes, it both also should work. I think
Yeah.
there should be some statement which will have two options for speed, for motor B and C at the same time. We should find it on the movement part.
This one.
Um,
No,
no, no,
This.
because
one.
we need to set exactly the percent of the speed. So can you move it down?
So this one.
No, can you look it up at down part? Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
I think it's the last one.
yes.
Yeah. So I think if we will write 0 and 50, that means that the motor B is 0 and the motor C is 50%, and vice versa. What do you think, guys?
It will be okay.
Yes.
Just change it.
I also think the same way.
Like that.
Okay.
Oh, why it didn't work?
You can write 0. I'm not sure if
You cannot type.
first B or C motor should work, but
You can type it in
How many?
zero case.
0. Okay.
Ah, yes.
And 50.
Or 30, I don't know. 30 okay or 15 guys?
I think 50 is okay.
Yeah. And duplicate this one and again, and we can change it.
Vice
Yes.
versa.
Yes.
Like that.
Yeah.
It looks fine.
Okay, today we are finalizing our code. We just looking through in order to make sure it's working correctly. Our team members sizler Hüseyin Cavid Araskerli, Ülke Mehmetli, and me, Gabriel Gurbanov, team 12. And we will discuss how the code works after correcting. Let's start. Firstly, we should change it to 15 centimeters or 5. Then, if third port is color sensor, we know that third port is for color sensor and for fourth port is ultrasonic sensor. Third port, if third port is black sensor, guys, what do you think? Is it correctly? What is this called? Start moving at 0 and 50% speed.
I think it's correct, but we can change it and write as two separate motors so it would be more clear. What do you think about that? We
Mm,
can,
Yes, yes, I also think like that. And we can change the speed. It, I think,
yeah,
30 is okay.
yeah, I think 50 is too,
Too much.
um, yeah, it's too
then,
quickly. So if there will be any mistake, we will not recognize it. So if our robot will move slowly, there's, I da bilmiyorum ne
Yes,
diyeceğim.
this code is not relatable to ours.
Onu
Uh,
inceliyordu.
Guys, but we have only B and C motor. We choose which one, B or C first.
make B stop,
Okay, then
and
we
then
should
choose C
start motor
motors.
C. Yeah. Start motor with speed. Where it is? Start.
Ah, here it is. Here it is.
Okay. Yeah. Set it to C, please.
Yeah, I set it to C, and I think the speed 30 is okay, right?
Yeah.
30 is okay, yeah.
And in else we will do
And
it
let's
vice versa.
duplicate this one.
What?
Duplicate these two codes.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, and change the motors.
Stop motor.
Yes.
Where it is?
Ah, okay, I got you. Mhm.
Guys, also I think that we can add some sounds that can make more interesting.
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
okay.
It will be great, yeah.
But we can do that in the end so that it will not bother us too much.
Okay.
So I will change the motors
And
so robot will know to turn to the right or to the left, depending
Yes.
which motor
And
works.
I think at the end we're not sure that these two robots will stop or not. Let's set to B and C motors,
yes, we
and I
Yeah.
think it works.
yes,
Because
program can set themselves.
yeah, true.
Do you mean we need
Right.
to set movement to both motors, right?
Yes,
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Wait,
set
just B
movement
and
Is
C.
there
to yes.
anything like that?
Yeah,
Ah,
here
okay.
it is. Oh, just a minute. Done.
Is it done? I think yes. Do you think 5 centimeters is enough, or we should make more or less?
And we
Or
will take them on demo day.
Yes.
yeah, we will see in demo day how it works. I think 5 centimeters is enough.
Guys, but I'm interested with intensity because on the map we have not only black. I'm not talking about obstacles, but lines, which is brown, and it should be included the code with intensity.
Do you mean light intensity, which was on the colored tutorial, right?
Okay. Javid, you said that it would be better to add sound. Yeah.
Yes,
Should we shall we add
I
it
think
to
we
the
can
start?
add before forever and the end. It will be great.
Yes, it can say hello
Good
Oh,
idea.
there's
in the
hello.
beginning. Yes.
And
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 at
in
the
the
end,
end,
we cannot attach anything at the end, but if um, if there's any burden on the road, it can also make sound. For example,
yeah.
error.
Transparent will
Yeah,
set obstacle. It will
here or
sound
at the
error
beginning.
sound. Yeah, yeah, correct. Thanks. Just find the error sound.
There should be somewhere.
Below, I think it's below.
Yeah.
Oh, there is game over sound.
Can you find the error sound?
Okay, okay. I will help. Just a minute. Error. Ah, yeah.
It
Oh,
should be below D, but
Yeah.
yeah. Error
Yes.
alarm or error? Just error. It's
um, I think it doesn't matter.
I think alarm is okay.
guys. I think just starting is not enough because if it will start, it will not end. I mean, after starting, we should stop the sound. Just beeping one time, if it's enough. Or
Let's
play.
make it error alarm, not only error.
No, I mean start. It starts error when there is obstacle, but when it will end.
Uh, we can just play beep for
No,
0.2
like
seconds.
there is. I think there's a block like sound until done.
Yes. Error until done.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's actually blocked.
Because the
because
play beep and error is together too much.
yeah, no, and actually beeping and sound is not the same.
Yeah,
You
yes,
can
this block.
disclose. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, error. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what about our code? I don't think we need to add anything more. What do you think?
Um,
I think it
let's
has to work.
let's
It
start
should
from
work
the
because
first.
we have a sonic sensor and
I'm not
color
sure,
sensors.
sure about the 5 centimeter, but after we check,
If you want, we can for guarantee we can make it 10 just for
yes.
Maybe
safety.
7. I think 10 is too much, no?
I think 10 is
Okay.
okay.
For guarantee, just in order to make sure robot will not crash.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Uh,
Maybe we should revise our code one last time.
from the first, from the start. It starts sound low, then forever, because algorithms are in the loop. If ultrasonic sensor makes sure the distance above the 10 centimeters, if the statement is true, then it checks the color if it's black, and then it turns on the motors C at the speed 13 and stops the motor B. If the statement is not correct, it does vice versa. It will do like zigzag movements.
It depends on which side is the sensor, is the color sensor, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but there is one question. We will, I don't know, it will affect or not. We will see on the demo day the intensity of the brown color. Why? I just here it is the color which I mentioned. It's this one, the brown, because it has intensity and relative. The color is relative to the black, but this one, which Javid mentioned before, it's not relative to the black color.
Yeah.
And
What we
maybe we
should add?
can see it on demo day.
Yeah, I think we should stop here.
Do you think it's enough for today?
Yeah.
Yes, because we can be sure.
Okay.
Yes. We
Okay.
did our best.
Wait till the demo day.